Has anybody been to Ikea lately? It's like, do you know, I've never not like it. You've got to follow the things. Got to follow the arrows on the floor. Have we got a sat navigation for this place? I think we need it. Satellite navigation most definitely is wrong. It's like, I've never seen no like it. Let's search. Oh, I can't fit the camera now, can I? Oh dear, it's a bit of a wonder, isn't it? Look, it's sort of like a cuddly toy, look, yeah, and they're weird. That's very weird. That's even weirder. Dear oh dear, I've never seen it like it. It's sort of like, it's just like fucking Ikea, isn't it? Where they sell chairs with no cushions, and you have to buy the cushions to go on the chair, like to make it a chair, complete chair. It's like, well, I just don't get it, man. I really don't get it at all. I'm not. My little feet are killing me now because I've been round here about 90 times. There's no road maps, there's nothing. Well, we're in the floral place now. Look, you get buy plastic flowers. Some plastic flowers here, and the majority of them are plastic. This is nowhere where we need to be, though, is it? You only come here to buy a chair. It's nearly dinner time. I've been here since breakfast time. Oh, I've never seen that like it. Look. Oh, steady on. Oh. Look, she's steering the bike, the trolley. Look, cuddly toy, cuddly toy, cuddly toy right there. Look, yeah. Something like that. Oh, well, not to worry. Where are we? Oh, we're somewhere. Oh, canteen, look, sustenance. Sustenance is what we need. Oh well, I'll let you know when we find the way out. Alright?